Hi, I'm Kelly Fountain and I'm the principal at Gower College, Swansea. Awards evenings like tonight's awards are really important because we get to celebrate some special individuals, our apprentices, and also the strong partnerships that exist between the college and our local and regional employers. We're very proud of our apprenticeship provision here at Gower College, Swansea. From 2014, we started off with just 300 apprentices. We've grown that significantly over the last 10 years. Now we have over 2,500 apprentices. We work with over 900 different employers and offer 86 different levels and routes, stemming from leadership and management, health and social care, construction, wide variety on offer. Apprenticeship schemes are really important for the economy. They drive economic growth, they increase skill level, they make our communities more resilient, but for the apprentices themselves, it allows them to earn whilst they learn, gaining practical, invaluable hands-on skills whilst securing an employment as well.